Welcome to Pilgrim's Course tutorial or the online retreat. My name is Katie Hansen, and I invite you to prepare your mind and heart in our welcome module. And these will help prepare you to learn in the more of a Hebraic way. Anciently, the families transferred their culture through these ways, and each day that we have from day 1 to day 2 to day 4 and beyond builds upon the previous day. I am excited to share this with you, and I am excited for you to receive this experience and to have it bless your life. So I will meet you on the other side. See you there.